Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we wanted to show you real quick how to fit 3 car seats across in a Ford Expedition Limited Max, and this is the 2021 version, so we wanted to show you guys how to do that. And we are using the Nuna Pippa car seat. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching. So we already have our other 2 children's car seats in, and you want to make sure that the car seats are in and they don't move more than an inch. That's pretty good. And you always want to kind of hook them in to make sure they're independently, strapped in correctly and not pushing against each other to make them seem like they're hooked in correctly when they might not be. So you want to make sure that you pop the load leg out before you put it on the seat.
Oh, yep, I forgot it does that.
And the Nuna Pippa base has rigid latch, which is really helpful because it makes it super quick and easy to hook in. You want to make sure that you're watching your level to make sure it's in the correct placement. So he pulled the load leg up to make it easier to hook in. And what you want to do is you want to find, here, pull this back real quick. On your car, if your vehicle has the latch hooks, you want to make sure to locate the latch hooks because that's where you're going. Where is this sitting at?
Right here.
Right. That's where you're going to hook these into. And with these being the rigid latch, all you have to do is push them in, so you don't have to worry about like adjusting them or tightening them. So pretty quick and easy.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, there goes the load leg again. Alright, so as you can see, there's still a ton of room on each side of the car seat base. Like,
yeah,
this is definitely an amazing vehicle for fitting 3 across, because we could even put their forever car seats in here and there will still be space here to where none of the car seats are touching each other, which is what you want. You don't want them pushing up against each other because then they might not be properly tightened down.
So this should be good because it is saying adjust so bubble touches line.
Yeah.
So bubbles are touching the line.
Right. And then that's pretty much it for that, because it is a rigid latch system, so it's in there nice and tight, and the level is properly adjusted. But look at how much space there is between those car seats. That is amazing.
Right, let me go get the actual car seat now.
All right, and this is with the Nuna car seat on the base, and as you see, there's still a ton of space between there. Trying to get good angles here. Yeah, as you see, like even with the car seat in the base, it's still like nothing on this car seat is touching the other car seat, and then nothing is touching the other car seat either.
Nope.
So definitely, if you need to fit 3 across, this is definitely a great vehicle for fitting 3 across.